Hello everyone, and welcome to the Florist Review weekly how-to video. My name is Lori McNorton, and today I want to share with you some beautiful product from Alexandra Farms. They have sent in some gorgeous garden roses. We have Patience, I gotta make sure I want to get these right. I know the Patience, and I know the Princess Hitomi, these soft pink, and then these beautiful pink that almost have like a copper center. Miyabi. I hope I'm saying that right. It's M-I-Y-A-B-I. So to me that's Miyabi. So, but talk about the fragrance that's going on in this room. It is beautiful. So today we do want to feature the roses. So I'm going to make some simple arrangements and then cluster them together for one large beautiful arrangement. So let's get going on this. So I have these gold copper tone containers, and these are from Jamali Gardens. Gosh, I knew right where they were from, but my mind went blank. But these are gorgeous, kind of these copper gold, which are going to be perfect to bring out the center of this rose. So I thought what we'd do is take my pink ones here, and I'm just going to make just a cluster of these pink roses. Now, when these come in, I've received a garden rose care and handling, and it tells you from step 1, 2, 3, and 4 exactly how to process your roses and take care of them. And honestly, they are the most beautiful roses when they're in full bloom. Look at this. Is that gorgeous or what? Look at that. Love, love, love. Cannot get a more beautiful, perfect rose than the Alexandra Farm rose. And everybody loves the garden roses. Wedding season is coming up, and they're beautiful in bouquets. So by the time these are in full bloom, they take up a good 4 to 5 inches. So yes, they may be just a little bit more pricey, but you don't need as many. And since I have all these, I'm using as many as I want. I get to do that in my bouquet. There. Oh gosh. Are those gorgeous or what? I got to quit saying that, but they do. They're just beautiful, and the fragrance that they put off is just incredible. All right. I'm going to do one here with the roses. Now my white ones aren't quite as open. They all come in at the same time, but they all have their own time frame here. But these are the ones that have the fragrance that's just incredible. I'm going to add a little bit of ivy in here. Just kind of fill in. A lot of times I'll just have a plant and I just take clippings from the plant. I'm going to try and force these open a little bit so you can see the centers. They all come with tags. They have their name and tell about the rose. Maybe a couple more. More ivy and fill that in. All right, so there's number 2. It's a little bit smaller, so that's going to be really pretty once we set it all together. Now these are just incredible. I'm going to make this a little bit more open and free form. But aren't these beautiful with that center? Wow. It's the thing about having all these stems, I can just use as many as I want. Just so you can see the beauty in them. I will sacrifice that. Wow, look at this. Oh. To learn more about these roses, you can go to alexandrafarms.com. There are more varieties, and every year there's new ones coming out. So be sure and check your availability. Check the colors. Like I said, for wedding work, there's just no doubt a more beautiful rose than the garden rose. And it's beautiful to mix them in with your standard roses. Doesn't have to be just all garden roses. But be sure to introduce your brides to some of the garden roses. We're almost there. Let's see here. These almost don't look real. They're that beautiful. And so many petals, they open up. I just keep wanting to use them. Look at this. Oh, where are you at, Ralph? There you are. But in my design, I want to make sure, and I have some out, but I like to put some in, so it draws your eye in, especially these open roses and the hearts of these roses. It's definitely going to draw your attention. Just a couple more, and then I'll stop. I think I'm almost done. Then I see one over here. I'm like, oh gosh, that one's beautiful. That one's beautiful. And we have all different stages here. All right. Wow. I keep saying that and I keep doing that, but I really mean it. Wow. So I just thought we'd put this gold platter, put our white roses there, and then these beautiful pink ones here. Oh. How's that for a show of roses, garden roses? Alexandra Farms. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to watch us next time. Have a great day.